Now it is page 7. About the group 6 and group 5 elements. When you look at the periodic table, again the group 0 has helium, neon and argon. For argon and neon they are octets, while the helium is doublet. And chlorine 2x7, the two chlorine atoms contribute 1 electron for sharing. Similarly, up in the group 7, F fluorine is doing the same way. The fluorine has 7 outermost shell electrons, and the other one, F, share 1 electron with another F. So the molecule has 2 electrons shared. You can use a single straight line stroke represent the covalent bond. And before the group 7, it is the group 6 oxygen. And there are 6 outermost shell electrons. And it has 2 electrons less to become octets. So the 2 oxygen want to have 2 more electrons, and each oxygen contributed 2 electrons for sharing. And you count the number of electrons, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then the 2 oxygen atoms are now stable octets, and there are 4 electrons being shared. And there are 2 bond pairs. So in this case, you can use double straight line represent the bonds, and it is called a double covalent bond. While in the fluorine, it is called a single covalent bond. And moving forward, in front of oxygen, it is the nitrogen, and it has 5 outermost shell electrons, and it want to have 3 more electrons to become stable octets. So when 2 nitrogen come together, each of them contribute 3 electrons. And after this, there are 6 electrons shared. And it can be represented by 3 straight lines between the 2 nitrogen atoms. And it is called a triple covalent bond. So for the nitrogen, it form N2, oxygen form NO2, F2, Cl form Cl2. They are made by two atoms. They are called diatomic molecule. And then there is one element which has no group, and it is the H hydrogen. And there is only one electron in the first shell, and for first shell it requires two electrons to become doublet stable. So when two H atoms come together, they just contribute one electron for sharing, such that they become doublet stable. And again, the H is diatomic molecule.